Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch again, and for today, we will be doing Oreo ice cream bars, okay? No need ng ice cream machine. So, all you need is baking pan, square pan, okay? So, for the ingredients, I have non-dairy whipping cream. I'm using Bunge non-dairy whipping cream. I have crushed Oreo, the whole Oreo na chinap ko lang, and then melted butter, Bravo condensed milk, and my vanilla extract. Let's start. We have the crust first. Let's mix the crushed Oreo and your melted butter. And then after that, press this one into a 9-inch baking pan lined with your aluminum paper. And then after that, chilled for 10 minutes. In your mixer with your whisk attachment, whip your Bunge non-dairy whipping cream. Once your bunch is stiff, put your Bravo condensed milk. And your vanilla extract. We're done. See? Lastly, fold your Oreo. And then, pour natin to on top of the crust. Okay, so, lagay natin. Guys, this is really easy. Just make sure, number one tip, make sure your bowl, your whisk, and your whipping cream are chilled. Okay? Para mas mabilis i-whip. Then, let this one set. Paset mo to for 4 hours. Okay? To make sure na matigas na si ice cream. Yan. Then, let's chill this one for about 4 hours. Okay? If freezer, pwede na yan 2 hours, guys. You can enjoy it after 2 hours. Okay? Yan, your Oreo ice cream bars. Very easy to make. No bake to ha. So, pwede mong gawin sa bahay kahit wala kang oven. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!